Hi everyone, it's Beth. Welcome back to the channel, and you do not even know how happy I am to be back and fully feeling capable and ready to film another video where I'm answering questions today that I once had and questions that likely a lot of people out there have about veganism. Number one, is eating vegan difficult? No, it really isn't. It definitely took some research at first because it's a concept that might be totally new to you, and it was to me. But eating vegan is actually easier, it is cheaper, and it is much more satisfying. I'm more in tune with what I fuel my body with and how my body operates, and it really is so great. Plus, grocery shopping and cooking is so much more simple and just more fun. Number two, is eating vegan unhealthy? No. If the average person actually paid attention to what foods and ingredients that they were putting in their bodies and they were knowledgeable about those ingredients, it should scare them. Eating a plant-based whole food diet can actually provide your body with everything that it needs and more when done properly. Actually, animal products can inflame the stomach lining, and processed meats are categorized as a class 1 carcinogen, increasing risk of cancer. Number three, does my household have to eat vegan too? Well, I will say that it is so much easier that way. It really is. But, my husband began this journey with me on his own accord on day one, and he wanted to support me, and I am so thankful for his choice. And not only did it make the journey more enjoyable for me, but he was actually pleased to find that he loved the food too. If others in your household are not willing to try vegan food or go plant-based with you, it is still possible to do it yourself. It might take just a little more planning, but if you are educated on, what you want to buy, what ingredients to get to make the meals and plan for yourself, you can totally do it, even on your own. And if you need some support from anyone or have questions, I am more than happy to talk with you. Reach out to me, reach out to somebody else you know who's vegan, or just explore Instagram, TikTok, and blogs. Start there and just do some research. There is a whole wealth of information there. Number four, is this sustainable long term? Absolutely. It is amazing to me that after being fed meat and animal products my entire life since birth, I have gone almost 2 years without a single kind of any of it. Speciesism is taught to us at such a young age, and when we are raised in those patterns, that's what seems normal to us. But I truly love being vegan, and if anything, I just wish I had done it sooner. We learn from every step we take in life up until we make a choice that changes our lives. But if I could end, some of that suffering and take part of those benefits earlier, I would have if I had only realized. But what I do eat is so good and so good for me. I mean, there are just so many benefits to it. So it is definitely sustainable long term, so much more than I even thought in the beginning. Did you know that there are approximately 300,000 edible plant species in the world, yet globally, we humans only utilize a mere 200 of the 300,000 available? And can you even name 200 edible plant species? We Americans are probably a very small portion even of that 200 that we eat on a regular rotation. So there is so much to explore. I'm very glad for my choice. I like this me better for me, for the planet, and for all the beings who live on it. And it's not as mystical or as complicated as it might seem. Even I thought that it was at first, but it's not. And if you have any questions or want somebody to talk to about it, or just be open and honest about everything that goes into it, let me know. I'm so happy to talk in the comments or even on my Instagram page. Send me a DM, and I am excited to walk that journey with you, or just to give you some information. So see you in the next video. Thanks for being here, and remember to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. I appreciate you all, and I will see you next time.